And hi to our lecturer, Dr. Hairil Anwar bin Kasrin, and to all my fellow classmates. Today, I'm going to explain more about our problem-based learning assessment for BEKC 3543. So, the topic that we have been chosen is traffic light system. Basically, our presentation consists of four major parts, which is the first one is introduction, the second one is problem statement, third one is objective, and the last one is the coding for the system. So but first, let me introduce our group members. One is Caroline Minimum, B0119100242. Our second group members is Muhammad Aminuddin bin Zulkifli, B0119101118. And the last one is Muhammad Azim bin Daud, B0119101193. For the introduction is, traffic lights are commonly used to control the vehicular traffic. In the modern era, everyone has different types of vehicles, resulting in rise to the numbers of vehicles. That's why traffic lights are mandatory to avoid the traffic jams and accidents. There are three lights in the traffic signals, having different messages for the drivers. Red light asks the driver to yield at the intersection, while green light gives the driver free license to drive through the intersection, whereas yellow lights alert the driver to wait if the next light is red, or get ready to go, or to turn the engine on. The basic idea behind this design is to avoid the collisions of vehicles by providing appropriate signals to the different directions for a limited time slot, after which the next waiting drivers will be given same treatment. In this way, a cycle will be established which will control the traffic. One is problem statement. There are several problem statements involved for this project. One of that is the project can reduce number of accidents which frequently happens mostly at the road junction. The drivers can estimate the exact timing to cross the road junction safely. Besides, this project managed to make the traffic flow running in smooth condition. Every driver on the road can follow the instruction carefully by following the traffic light signage. Not only that, most of the road junctions it can be seen that everyone are being so rushed, and sometimes there are certain drivers who are afraid to cross the road. Thus, it will take a long time to cross the road junction, and it probably wasting time. The next one is the objective. The aims of this project work are to design and implement an automatic traffic light system and to develop a suitable algorithm to implement design. In addition, to make each of the traffic lights alternate the right of way accorded to road users by displaying lights of a standard color, which is red, yellow, and green, following a universal color code and a precise sequence to enable comprehension by those who are colorblind, that is aware of the time of day, basic turn red, green or yellow rules, and perhaps what traffic. Next, to design a simple system that is easily adaptable to the existing traffic conditions at junctions, involving a minimum of physical changes in the intersections.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Daud and I will explain about the coding of the system. First, we need to clarify the peripheral that being used in the simulation, which is switch and LED. Then set the condition when the switch 7 and 6 is high. Next, we apply the loop for the switch for the task A, which is the testing operation. The switch 7 is turned on and all LED from 1 to 5 will turn on and off for 3 times. D is for to test whether the LED and the 7 segment is in a good condition. After that, for the task B, switch 6 and 7 will turn on to operate the system automatically. The first operation is to turn on green light at traffic light 1, which is LED 3, and red light at traffic light 2, which is LED 2 for 9 seconds. After the first 9 seconds, LED 5 and 0 will turn on, which is the red light at traffic light 1 and green light at traffic light 2 respectively. It is also will turn on for 9 seconds. Next is to turn off the LED 2 while LED 5 is still on, and turn on LED 1 as the yellow light for the traffic light 2, then the loop will repeat automatically. The last is the delay for the timer at each interval and the repetition loop for the wait. So this is the result for the simulation of the traffic light system. This is the testing operation, traffic light 1 on operation, traffic light 2 on operation. That's all simulation for the system. Thank you.